The article had given them a tableau, and so the article was a vivid and clear description for the professors. So we can predict that the article's cogent characteristics and articulation with comprehensibility had given them a tableau. Opacity and obliquity, as choice C and choice D, mean the opposite of the prediction, as they denote anything obscure or unclear. Similarly, snag and pitfall, as choice A and choice F, mean an unexpected or hidden obstacle or drawback, and an article cannot be a tableau for the professors with such emphasizing drawback. So choice A and choice F can be eliminated along with choice C and choice D, as they are unfit to fill the blank as correct answers. Perspicuity and lucidity, as choice B and choice E, merge the meaning given by the prediction, as they mean the articulation with proper and clear understandability. So the correct answers are choice B and choice E.